What if I tell you that you can start making 20,000 to 50,000 rupees extra in next 90 days without disturbing your primary job, your studies or your household stuff? Hi, my name is Sanju and I'm a business coach. I help students, working professionals and homemakers with side hustles. I help them figure out which side hustle is suitable for them, which aligns with their interest, personality, financial goals and the time that they have. And I have realized most people stay broke not because they are scared, but because no one told them the exact roadmap how they can get started, how they can build a side hustle and manage it without disturbing their primary stuff. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you in this video. I have made lakhs of rupees in income through social media, landed jobs in both MNC and a startup purely on the basis of my skill set. Been on stage multiple times addressing legal editors, IT professionals, and law aspirants from top 1% universities across the country. Got the opportunity to meet industry giants from legal fraternity, including Chief Justice of India, Justice B.R. Gavai. Networked with billionaires, authors across the globe. Bought my own laptop worth 90,000. Gifted my sister and my dad smartphones. Became an international best-selling author. Got featured on Times Square's UK, all of this at the age of 21. Yes, 21. When most people are just figuring out their college stuff, studies. Is this magic or is it actually possible? It is possible. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I achieved all of this step by step. I also know one more thing very well, that if you're watching this video right now, it means you have already watched hundreds of videos about how you can make 50,000 to 1 lakh of income in 2 to 3 months, but you still haven't got the real roadmap. In this video, I am going to explain every single thing step by step and how you can generate 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees of income within next few months. And I really mean it because I have done it myself and I have helped hundreds of students, to be precise 500 of students, homemakers and working professionals achieve the same results. Very important thing, please make sure that you watch this video completely without skipping any part, because if you'll keep skipping, you will miss key points and you won't understand the process and you might miss out important details that can help you take an informed decision. Now let's understand who this video is for. This video is for students, homemakers and job holders. If you are a student, this video will give you a roadmap to become financially independent. Then you will be able to pay your own educational expenses and fees, develop in-demand skills, support your family financially. You'll stop asking your parents for pocket money, you'll start saving and investing for yourself. You will be able to upgrade your lifestyle, you will be able to cover your social expenses, fund your own startup or passion project, travel and gain experiences. And honestly, there's a different kind of peace when you spend money that you have earned yourself. The mental satisfaction is priceless. If you're a housewife, maybe you want to support your husband financially, help in a financial crisis at home, contribute to the household income, become financially independent so that you can go to shopping, go out, go with your friends, attend parties, and you don't have to ask your husband for money every single time. You'll be able to ensure that your kids are studying in really good schools. You'll be able to upgrade your own skills so that your children don't say tomorrow कि मेरी मम्मा को ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है. You might find it difficult to go to a full-time job after kids. And if you're a working professional or a job holder, you'll be able to build additional income source along with your full-time job. You'll be able to repay any existing loans or debts faster. You'll be able to save for your future goals. You'll be able to upgrade your skills so that you can switch jobs or industries if you want to. You can fund your side hustles, passion projects, and any business that you want. You'll be having budget for networking opportunities and events. You'll be able to diversify your career so that you're not dependent on just one job. It will help you to increase your job security because layoffs these days are very common and they're very scary. And you'll not be panicking because you'll be having other income streams. You'll be able to plan your retirement. You'll have the financial freedom. So by now, you should have got good clarity on who this video is for and how this opportunity can exactly help you. I'm going to talk about, before I reveal the opportunity, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Sanju and I'm a business coach. I help students, homemakers, and working professionals with side income sources. And I am from Lucknow. All of this started 4 years ago. I was about to complete my schooling. I was looking for some opportunity through which I could earn online. I used to go to school. We are three sisters and no brother. I always wanted to be my dad's son, the one who supports him. I did not want to wait to finish school and then college and then get a job. and then start earning. I did not have that much patience. I thought to myself, even if I can earn 4 to 5 thousand rupees a month, at least I can pay my own school fees. So I started looking for opportunities. One video came up in my feed. It was about blogging and it was by Aman Tatirwal. So I tried blogging as well, but it did not work out. I kept trying different things, but I was getting stuck constantly. I was jumping from one YouTube video to another, getting more and more confused. Nobody came and clearly told me what exactly I was supposed to do. करना क्या है? No one told me कि problem क्या है, उसका solution क्या है. Then I thought of trying trading. But I did not have any money. And in middle class families, pocket money is very limited. It's not like you get enough to, start trading. Then I got to know about affiliate marketing. I tried affiliate marketing on my own, looked at some products and tried to understand few things because it felt like at least I can try it for free. I did try, but again I got stuck. I did not know how to figure out the next step. Again, I went back to YouTube. There was one thing in one video and another thing in another video. Nothing was connected to each other. I struggled a lot and wasted a lot of time. So many months. After trying so many things, finally I got to know about a platform that was helping thousands and even lakhs of students, homemakers, working professionals earn through social media. Then I got to know there is investment involved. I literally ran in the opposite direction. I was like, kuch bhi ho jaye, I am not going to invest a single penny. In between, I started searching for platforms like Upwork, Fiverr for freelancing projects. There was no shortage of projects. Copywriting, content writing, social media, and so many things were there. But the problem was, I did not know anything properly. I had no experience, no skills, no portfolio. Even if I applied, what would I show as my work? Then finally, I again spoke to that girl who introduced me to the platform. I asked her, can you please pay for me? I don't have the money right now. She saw my message and left it on scene. I was very angry and hurt for a while, but then I realized she is a stranger. Why would she invest her own money in me? Then I finally arranged the money with a lot of difficulty and started upskilling myself. Arranging the money was difficult, but I knew that I don't have any strong skill with which I can take freelancing project or a job. And anyway, full-time job or even a part-time job wasn't possible. I was still a school-going student and my parents would never allow that. I also had one big doubt in my mind. There are so many online scams happening these days. And recently, one of my friend had already been scammed. So I was very much scared. I shared everything with my parents and they mentioned that they would get enrolled me in any offline institute. We'll drop you every single day and we'll pick you up too. But we are not going to allow you to do anything online. I could understand where those concerns are coming from. Our parents have more understanding of dunyadari, but they don't understand how social media works, how a personal brand can completely change one's life because of generation gap. And they don't understand anything, any social media or digital thing because of a generation gap. I knew I wanted to do something online only because offline there were travel expenses, time issues, and the cost is also higher. And the trainers themselves were only teaching that they weren't actually executing and earning from those skills. So I wanted to learn from someone who's actually executing and earning. Still, that scam wala doubt was bothering me. Then I checked about that particular platform on social media, on government portals like MSME, MCA, etc. And when I found everything was verified, the company was government registered. That was my moment of truth. I felt a bit assured. It took me 4 to 5 months to reach my first lakh in income. Yes, it took me 5 months. Because I was school going student, most of my day went in school and coaching. And if you belong to an Indian middle class family and you're a girl, you know you have to help your mom with household work too. So I couldn't compromise on that earlier. Still, that's how my first lakh happened. My journey to that first lakh was actually quite smooth. For sure, there were so many hindrances in my way, but those things taught me more than any school syllabus could. After that, I kept earning part time. By that time, I gained multiple certifications, my resume and my portfolio were strong, and opportunities started coming to me. Because of that, one international author reached out to me. We worked on a project for 2 to 3 months and that book got released. Within few months, that book was featured at Times Square in UK and also won an award. No, this did not happen in the very first month. You need to give yourself time to learn. But if you give yourself a couple of months, I can assure that you can start making real money out of this. Later, I started looking for jobs, just getting out of the school because I dropped out. Even though I did not have any degree, but the skills I had and a solid portfolio, I got a job in big MNC as a social media executive. And the best part, in every organization I have worked till date, I have been the youngest person in the room. Everyone else had been working there for more than few years. Even in my previous organization, there were people who were working there for 30 plus years. Many a times I got the chance to go on a stage with my managers, host events for the company in front of 500 people, board of directors sitting in the front row, people from the top percentage of India's legal fraternity, IT professionals, legal editors, law aspirants, etc. And I was the only one there, a dropped out without any degree, while everyone else was either an aspirant or a professional. For me, that was a huge achievement, especially because I had never been on this stage in my lifetime before. During this time, through the company events and my social media presence, I got to travel, met the Chief Justice of India, Justice B.R. Gavai, and I went live on social media with people like Ankur Warikoo, Ivan Carmichael, Naveen Jain, and others. My book was also recognized by world's most renowned author. All these opportunities happened only because of my social media presence and digital skills. Today I'm a full-time working professional. I work as a business coach in a startup while helping working professional students and homemakers set up their side income sources, and they are really generating good money from it. Until now, whoever I helped, collectively I have been able to help all of my clients earn more than 70 lakh of income. From my own journey, after interacting with so many students and working professionals, I have realized that 99% of the people are exactly like my past self, who do not have any skills, who are hunting for free content first, who are never willing to invest, who don't even know what their skill set is. I also did not know. I tried free things, wasted months, and honestly, I could have wasted years, but still not built anything substantial. Because ultimately, if you have nothing valuable to offer, you're not going to get paid. I genuinely feel that I wish I had realized that earlier, and that I needed to learn skills and build skills. If I had started earlier, I'd be much ahead in my journey today. When I tried affiliate marketing and blogging on my own, there was nobody to show me exactly what to do, how to fix problems, how to move from point A to point B. But when I joined the platform, one of the biggest thing was the support from the mentor, from the company, the trainers, the experts, the support team. Whenever I had any doubt, I could simply call during the working hours and get the solutions immediately. If this support had came earlier, I would have been ahead much faster. Now comes what exactly is this framework and how it works. Now, whatever I'm going to share with you, you might be aware of those things a little bit. But despite watching hundreds of YouTube videos and applying for random jobs and internships on Facebook and other social media platforms, you're still not able to figure it out. Don't worry, I'm here to help you with those things only. Step number 1 should be picking one skill. It's not like कि आपके सामने 20 चीजें and you picked up one. It's not going to work that way. You have to make a list of all the things that interest you, that are there trending in the market. Now you have to eliminate all the skills that doesn't tick all the boxes. The time that you have, like your flexibility, your goals, your interest, and your personality. Let's say you are introvert, you'll be picking up something else. You are extrovert, you'll be picking up something else. Something interests you, something doesn't interest you. So whichever skills you pick up, it has to tick all of these boxes. If it doesn't tick all the boxes, eliminate it. And if you have 20 list, like if you have a list of 20 side hustle options, you will only be left with 1, 2 or 3 max. You know what, most of the people choose the wrong skill, because they would be choosing the one that is there trending in the market, that is in demand, but they would never they would never see that if it aligns with them, their personality, their goals, their working schedule, and everything else. Step number 2 was about converting the particular skill into a product or a service, but you don't exactly know how to do that, right? Step number 3 is about getting all the information, the expertise that will be helping you in converting that skill into a product or a service. Step number 4 is monetizing. You must be aware of the step number 1. Skill क्या choose करना है, but for sure you would have lagged when it was about converting that skill into a product or a service, or figuring out where exactly to gather all that information from, to gather all that expertise from. Step number 4 is monetize. This is the step where 90% of the people get stuck. And to give you more clarity, if you have not been able to reach this point while figuring out, the only reason is because you have never interacted or got exposed to the person who has done the same thing that you want to do, who has achieved the same results that you want to achieve, who has helped people do the same stuff that you want to do. Now, I gave you the solution of step number 1, how to pick a right skill. But when it is about step number 2, step number 3, like how to convert a skill into a product or a service, and how to monetize, this platform comes into the picture, and the name of the platform is BizGurukul. BizGurukul is one of the India's finest platform for digital skills, skills that are huge in demand right now. Just like you study for 10 to 20 years before getting a job, in online world you also don't get results immediately. First you have to build skills and a portfolio. Then you earn through social media and digital platforms. BizGurukul provides you with 40 plus skills divided into different bundles. You get 200 plus trainers from across the country, experts in their own niches. If you go and get direct mentorship from these trainers, they are going to charge you in thousand. And if you calculate the amount for 200 experts, you cannot pay in your lifetime. This particular platform has provided 500 plus live trainings till date and still counting on. It has already been featured in many major media houses like Times of India, Business Standards, Outlook, The Print, Curly Tales, Zee Business, and others. They provide India's finest courses on in-demand skills. They offer 40 skills which are divided in 4 bundles. This platform is exactly like a virtual institute. Now, why I recommend you this platform? Because it provides with structured learning. It provides courses and trainings and mentorship in Hindi and English, both the languages. They provide with real-time doubt support via call. They provide with lifetime access, exclusive community, networking, expert trainers, flexible schedule, incentives, events, and now, as I mentioned, they provide with 40 skills which are divided into 4 bundles. Now let's talk about the bundles that they have to offer. So the very first bundle is Business Mastery, which has 31 plus skills. Now this bundle includes how you can create your own marketing agency, how to start drop shipping, how you can do affiliate marketing with Amazon, and many more. The website price of this particular bundle is 29,999, and this bundle is common among all the top leaders, among all the top achievers that there are in the company. If you have this particular bundle, you can learn the skills and you can earn somewhere between 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees depending upon the skills you will be learning. And the best part, it unlocks all the bundles for free that are worth 40,000 rupees. And if you feel this is something out of your budget, wait till the end because I have something amazing to offer for you. And trust me, मजा आ जाएगा आपको जान के. Next bundle comes Finance Mastery. Now this particular bundle offers 21 skills. It includes incredible skills from personal finance to mastering taxes, from stock market to creating your wealth. In India, 60 to 70% of the people don't track their monthly expenses. That is the reason most of the people are poor. This bundle was launched in 2024. That is exactly when I started taking charge of my money. You might be earning 50,000 rupees a month. You might be earning 1 lakh rupees a month. It's not about how much you make. It's about how you manage it. You can create long-term wealth with even least amount with consistency. And this is a bundle that exactly teaches you same. You are paying taxes on 5 rupee chips, on 100 rupee pizza, अगर मिलता है तो 5 rupees Starbucks coffee. On every single purchase, you are paying taxes. This particular bundle teaches you how you can get rid of those taxes. And the price of this particular bundle is 19,999. It has income potential to help you make up to 70,000 rupees monthly. Next comes Influence Mastery Bundle. Now, as the name suggests, this particular bundle is all about building the skills that can help you build the influence. It's about learning the people skills. It's about learning how to speak and how to write. It includes the bundles like content writing, copywriting, public speaking, sales, podcasting, how to create your influence by speaking or writing. The website price of this particular bundle is 14,999, and this particular bundle can help you earn up to 50,000 rupees every single month. Next comes the Traffic Mastery Bundle. Now this particular bundle offers all the foundational skills without which online earning is impossible. Be it Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, email marketing, SEO, Google ads, and all the important things that are there. The market price of this particular bundle is 9,999, and the income potential that this particular bundle offers you is 20 to 30,000 rupees a month. Now you might have the objection that these bundles are out of your budget. Now let me tell you what exactly I have to offer here. Firstly, I've already shared the website price of all of these bundles, but when you'll apply my coupon code while enrolling for these bundles, you are going to get 30% off on every single bundle. That means even you start making your first penny, you will be saving thousands of rupees. In case of business mastery, the website price is 29,999, but with my coupon code you're going to get it for 20,999. In case of finance mastery bundle, the website price of this particular bundle is, as I mentioned, is 19,999, and but you are going to get it for 14,999. In case of influence mastery bundle, the website price of this particular bundle is 14,999, but with my coupon code you are going to get it for 10,999. And the traffic mastery bundle, which I recommend you the least, only if in case you cannot manage to afford any other bundle, I would recommend you this. And if you'll apply my coupon code, you are going to get 3,000 of instant discount. This one more thing that I often get asked: how will we get started after you are done with the payment? Once you make the payment, you share the screenshot of the payment on my number, which is given below in the description. I connect with you on a one-on-one basis over a call. I brief you about how we are going to do the stuff. Within 7 days of you signing up, we sit on a Google Meet where we strategize which skill you should be picking, and then I recommend you couple of courses that you get done with, that you get certifications and you get started. And exactly like this, we sit on a Google Meet every single week so that we can track where exactly we are and where we have to reach. I audit all the work that you have done. I help you upskill. Now since you are learning the skills that you want or that will help you land your dream job, if in case you are looking for jobs, I will also help you with those things. If you are a working professional looking for side gigs, freelancing, I'll help you with those things, because I have helped, as I mentioned, 500 people do so many things. The common thing was online stuff, how they can convert a skill into a product or a service, and how they can monetize it. I will be linking my socials below in the description so that you can check them out. If you have any other doubt or query, just let me know on the WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Now you must be thinking that, Sanju, you told us about 4 bundles. How to pick the one that is best for us? My suggestion would be to go for the business mastery bundle. Why? Because it is the best seller. All the top achievers who have been able to create income of 50 lakh plus, like 50 lakh to 1 crore, it is just because of this particular bundle, as it offers incredible variety of the skills that you can pick from. There is a possibility that you might not align with the first thing that you pick, but you will be having 39 other options to try from. You will be having incredible variety. You can see what is something that interests you. And it, as I mentioned, this particular bundle offers 40 skills. That means you can convert these 40 skills into 40 income sources. But for sure, that is a bit of a difficult task. What I exactly mean is that you can convert whichever skill you pick and you can convert it into a income stream. And you are going to get all the bundles for free that are worth 40,000 rupees. Plus, you will be having my personal mentorship for free, which is worth 10,000 rupees for 6 months, in which I offer you WhatsApp support once in a week, one-on-one session that you and I will be sitting on a Google Meet, figuring out your stuff, building your income stream. I will be helping you with the audits on the work that you have done. I will be supervising every single thing. We'll sit together and strategize how you can convert any particular skill into income stream, because picking up a skill, converting it into a product or a service, and then monetizing it works completely different for every single skill. So it is supposed to be personalized. Now let's address few of the frequently asked questions that I often get asked. The very first is, I don't have money, I'm just a student, I don't have any income source, so how do I invest? You know, when I mentioned I started when I was 16 years old, I had just completed my 10th. Can you imagine how much money I would be having? I did not have much money. For 3 to 4 months, I gave home tuitions and I was able to arrange a few thousand bucks. And that all the amount that I had earned, that was like few thousand bucks for all the amount that I had made in my lifetime. That was my first earning. All of that amount I invested in learning the skills because I know the importance, and I was able to land those jobs in MNC and a startup without any referrals, purely on the basis of merit and the certifications that I had. If you don't have money, the simple reason is you don't have skills, because companies are desperate for skilled people and the demand is not even close. Ask yourself, if I give you a job today, what value you can bring to the table professionally? It's not I am good communicator or I can write very well. It's not like that. What value you can bring to the table that can help an organization make money or save time or in any other way? You might be housewife, you'll be like, I'm not earning. I understand. Or maybe you are a working professional who is not satisfied with the salary that you are earning. You'll be like, I'm not making that much. How to invest this much of amount? I completely understand. Don't you really think you are stuck in your job, as you mentioned? I guess before you watching this video, we have connected over a call or a WhatsApp already. And you're looking for second income source because maybe because you're not satisfied with the salary that you have. Maybe because you are not able to upgrade your lifestyle. Maybe because you have bigger goals, a bigger house, a bigger car, fancy vacation. Don't you really think compared to what you are going to get in return, this amount is just fraction of it? Now, often people think that these courses are expensive. This is a one doubt that I often get asked. I completely understand where this question is coming from. When you were starting, when you were doing your schooling, your college, you have spent around 15 lakh, 10 to 15 lakh rupees on your studies, and you are still not able to land a job or an internship. I recently had a conversation with a few of the college students. They are doing unpaid internships. Why? Because your value is not that much. You haven't worked on your skill set. Just imagine if you are going to learn one particular skill from an offline institute which will be charging you a few thousand rupees box for every single month, and you'll be like done and dusted in 6 months. Who is going to teach you that skill? Those professors who themselves have not executed the stuff and got the results. And the traveling expenses, your hectic schedule, it will be really very difficult for you to manage since you have a super hectic schedule. Just compare, like divide the highest bundle that this platform has to offer, that is Business Mastery, and after coupon the price of this particular bundle is 20,999. Divide this 21,000 rupees by 40. Just calculate the average price of one bundle. It's around 500 rupees, I guess. With that, you are going to get real time call support, doubt sessions, my personal mentorship, weekly trainings, incentives, bonuses, rewards, national trips, international trips, top achiever meetups, and whatnot. They also conduct 3 to 4 trainings every single week to ensure that you are growing holistically. From covering finances to spirituality, every single thing is covered. Very important thing that I want to share with you, that every single month I open around 10 to 15 slots for my personal mentorship. Most of them are already booked by the mid of the month. So ensure that when you're watching this video, you are reverting to me on WhatsApp as soon as possible. Otherwise, there is very high probability that you might miss out on the coupon codes that can help you save 30% of the money even before you start earning. And my personal mentorship are only for first 15 enrollments of the month. And if you are late, there is a very high probability you'll be missing out on it. And despite having the really good skill set, despite having the finest courses of the India's incredible platform, you will be figuring out on your own, which might take you more than 5 to 6 months to create your first 50,000 rupees. But when you are under someone's mentorship, you can make your first 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees within first 90 days. Now let's discuss how to get started. I have shared the enrollment link of all of these bundles in the description below. You just have to click on the link. You have to enter your details. You will be redirected to the payment page. Make the payment and you are done. I will be attaching a video which will be displaying all the things how you're supposed to do it. I know most of your doubts would have cleared until now, but if there's anything else holding you back, just let me know on my WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to help you with it.